If you've ever wondered how to accept payments directly on your Google site, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the easiest and most effective ways to set up payment collection on Google Sites in 2025. The truth is, Google Sites doesn't come with built-in payment tools, but with a few simple integrations, you can have a professional setup running in no time. Here's how. First, decide how you want to take payments, either through PayPal, Stripe, or Google Forms with a payment add-on. Let's start with PayPal or Stripe. All you need to do is create a product or checkout link inside your PayPal or Stripe dashboard. Once you've got that payment link, head over to your Google site. Add a button or even a text link, then paste the checkout URL there. Now, whenever a visitor clicks that button, they'll be redirected to your secure checkout page. If you want something more customized, you can use Google Forms. With add-ons like Payable Forms, you can create a product order form that includes built-in payment collection. After building your form, simply embed it into your Google site, and your visitors can browse, order, and pay without ever leaving your site. This approach is perfect for small businesses, side hustles, or even digital creators who want a free, simple website but still need a way to accept payments. And that's it. You now know how to turn a basic Google site into a payment-ready online store in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to give it a try on your own site and start collecting payments today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.